What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is episode 94, and today we're just going to go ahead and take a look at my plays for Tuesday, which I did calls on QQQ. So I did two different type of calls. One was a swing, so I got into that swing on Monday, and then I got out on Tuesday. And then the second type of call was an odte option. So it was a call that expires the same day. So I got in, got out on Tuesday. So we're going to look at the funds that I put up, the return that I got on my investment, and we're also going to hop into the chart and just briefly go over the play. All right, so here we are inside of Trading View, and I do have the plays pulled up. So the first play, which was the swing, started here, and then I got out around here. So started on this channel, went up, went up, went up, and I got out around this point. And then this is the other play, which was pretty much from here to here. So we're going to go ahead and just zoom in so we could take a look. And as you guys see here, my entry, I got in on the 441 call. I got one call at $1.99. So pretty much I put up roughly about $200 on this call. And we got in, and as you guys can see, got in right around here where the circle is, and then went down, consolidation. And I explained to you guys on the last video, I got in on this call particularly because the market was moving kind of slow, and with these options that expire on the same day, if you get in around the afternoon session, it has to be like in and out. So you got to be like real quick. If it starts consolidating or moving sideways, the data is just going to destroy your profit. So instead of getting into a ODT option in the afternoon session, I got into a swing. So I got a swing that was set to expire on the 10th, but I already know based on the levels that I have plotted here that it would actually go up. But I did give myself roughly about 5 days for it to get to some of these levels, one in particular. So we scroll over, it just keeps going, 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 going. And then right around here, as you guys can see, we had this massive breakup. So we have huge Hulk candles here, just going boom, 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 boom. And it goes all the way up. And like I told you guys on Monday, I was hoping for this to get close to this 442 level that I indicated yesterday in the video, and it did, and I got out right around this point. So I got in at 199, and as you guys can see here, I end up exiting the swing at 287. So on this, I made $88 profit, and then right after I got in, boom, here comes the huge David Banner candles, and it just starts to slide down. I already know it was going to respect this level for a little bit, so I just wanted to get in and get out and take my profit. So you see it comes back down, boom, 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 comes back up, touches it, comes back down again, and then I notice here it formed a neckline. All right, so touches the neckline again, went back up, touches, so it just keeps consolidating within the channel. And I was waiting for it to come back up and break. And then I see this strong move here with a bunch of Hulk candles. And I was like, all right, let me get into a option that expires today. So I got an ODTE option. I got 3 contracts. It was the 442 call, and I got in at 49. Went up, boom, 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 and touched the level, right? Boom, boom, broke, got in, boom, 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 goes up, breaks out the level. Nice continuation, and I was like, I don't want to get greedy. At this point, I was up, so I got out right around here. And as you can see, exit 442 call, I end up exiting 3 contracts at $71. And right as I got out, the retest happened, and instead of bouncing back up, it just started consolidating. So this was a good play from here to here. Got in, got out, and I made 66. So for the day, I was up $154, I believe. But let's go ahead now and hop into Robinhood, and I'll go over the receipts with you. All right, so here we are inside of Robinhood. So let's go ahead and look at the receipts. As you guys can see, this was the first call which is the 441 call. This was the swing that expired on 510. If we go ahead and just scroll down a little bit here and we click on it, you'll see that it opens up and it'll show you that it was a limit buy. It was submitted 5/6, so I got this on Monday, and this is at 10:41 a.m. And like I said, the market was just kind of moving sideways the last week, so I decided just to try a swing just to see how it worked out. And it was eventually getting to the levels that I wanted, but it was just moving too slow for options that expired the same day. So the contract was filled at 199, total cost 199.03. So the 03 is the regulatory fee, but you'll get that back. There you go, regulatory fee right there, and option was filled. So we went ahead, we got out of that, and if we scroll back up, this was a recurring buy that I have set up, and then we end up selling the 441 swing, and we sold at 287. So got in at 199, sold at 287, and the total profit on this from, I would say, from here to here was 88 bucks. And then the next call that we got into right here was the QQQ 442 call, because I told you guys on the last video that I saw it approaching the 442 level. So I wanted to see if I could ride it up to that level and get out just before it hit it, just in case it would reverse. You know, if it actually went up, retested and broke, I would probably get in again. But as you guys saw, it started consolidating. So I just stepped back, closed the laptop for the day. So I got in at 147 and I ended up getting out at 213 for a profit of 66. So overall, my P&L for Tuesday was, my buy-in was $346. I ended up selling for $500 for a P&L of $154, or 44% ROI on my money. So not a bad day, not too many crazy trades. The market was kind of moving the way I anticipated, so I made those plays and I got out. If I had gotten greedy and gotten back in right around when it touched over 442, you saw what would have happened. It started consolidating at that point, and then it would be, it would be losses, because that was an option that would expire the same day. So I did this just to show you guys that you can also use swings and options that expire the same days, the 0 days to expire options. And the whole purpose of that, like I said, you could create some type of hedge that can just help to lock in profits for you. All right, I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. If you're just watching this video, it might be a little confusing, so you could go back to, I believe it was episode 92, and it'll give you more of like a breakdown on what exactly I was trying to do. All right, but that's it for the video today, guys. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please consider subscribing. I make new videos like this every day. Go ahead and like this video, and also share this video with a family member or friend. More importantly, towards the end of the video, you'll see 4 cards that pop up showcasing videos that I've previously made. I try to make videos that actually add value, meaning you get information that you can actually use towards your trading journey. All right, so go ahead and click and watch one of those videos. And thanks again for watching the video. I do appreciate it. Y'all stay safe and have a blessed day. Peace.